Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 31 says, the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles is dash. The quality of being honest, that is, having honesty as a value, the moral principles. The summary here is being disciplined. This refers as dash. A, commitment. B, integrity. C, justice. D, loyalty. E, orderliness. When we talk of commitment has to do with strong attachment towards something or someone. Integrity, it is the art of self-esteem or respect. Justice, this relates to lawsuits. Then loyalty, it is synonymous to obedience. Obedience. The orderliness simply means to be in consonance with doctrine. And so by this, the correct option is option B. Integrity has to do with being honest and having strong moral principle. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.